Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are talking about the stunning Shreya Saran and her impeccable modern fashion choices. From red carpets to casual outings, Shreya never fails to impress. Let's explore some of her most iconic looks. The actress often opts for dramatic gowns that make a statement. She is known for choosing bold colors like red, emerald, and cobalt blue, and silhouettes ranging from body-hugging mermaid cuts to voluminous ball gowns. Her gown choices often feature details like plunging necklines, thigh-high slits, and intricate beadwork. Her style is effortlessly chic. She's often seen in high-waisted trousers paired with crop tops, jumpsuits, or casual dresses that are perfect for day-to-day wear. She balances comfort with style, opting for pieces that are easy to wear yet fashionable. Shreya isn't afraid to experiment with bolder, edgier looks. This includes leather jackets, distressed jeans, and statement boots. She also embraces trends like oversized blazers, bold prints, and asymmetrical cuts, showcasing her ability to adapt to evolving fashion trends. Whether it's bold chokers with her saris or delicate earrings with Western outfits, the beauty knows how to pick the perfect jewelry to enhance her look. She often chooses pieces that complement her outfit's style and color, adding a finishing touch that's both elegant and eye-catching. Shreya experiments with various hairstyles to suit her outfits. From sleek, straight hair and soft curls to intricate updos and braids, her hairstyle choices are always on point, contributing to her overall polished look. Her makeup choices are as versatile as her outfits. She can go from a bold red lip and dramatic eyes for a glamorous evening look to soft, natural makeup for a more subdued, daytime appearance. Her makeup often accentuates her features, adding to her allure and sophistication. She has been seen promoting outfits made from eco-friendly fabrics, supporting designers and brands that focus on sustainability. This reflects her awareness of and commitment to environmentally friendly fashion practices. She often restyles old outfits with different accessories or layers, demonstrating how one can be fashionable and responsible at the same time. Her modern fashion choices are a dazzling mosaic that captures the essence of contemporary elegance and cultural richness. Her sartorial journey is marked by an effortless blend of traditional Indian wear and chic Western outfits, reflecting her versatile style. On the red carpet, her preference for opulent gowns that highlight her silhouette and vibrant colors makes her a standout. These gowns often feature intricate detailing, such as sequins, beadwork, and dramatic cuts, aligning with her flair for the glamorous. She's equally at home in traditional attire, where she skillfully incorporates modern elements into classic Indian pieces. Her sari choices often feature unique draping styles and are paired with modern blouse designs, showcasing her knack for reinventing traditional looks. Her lehengas are a testament to her love for elaborate embroidery in bold hues, often coupled with contemporary twists like asymmetrical hemlines or trendy jackets. Her everyday style is a masterclass in casual sophistication, where high-waisted trousers, tailored jumpsuits, and breezy dresses dominate her wardrobe, embodying a blend of comfort and style. Shreya doesn't shy away from edgy fashion either, embracing trends like leather jackets, distressed denim, and statement boots, underscoring her dynamic fashion sense. The actress is also a proponent of fusion fashion, where she seamlessly merges ethnic and Western elements, creating unique and eye-catching ensembles. This could be seen in her pairing of saris with corset tops or her penchant for layering ethnic jackets over contemporary outfits. Accessories play a pivotal role in her fashion story. She often complements her looks with statement jewelry that ranges from bold chokers and elaborate earrings for her traditional outfits to delicate, minimalist pieces that perfectly accompany her Western attire. Her hairstyle and makeup choices are always on point, whether she opts for sleek straight hair, soft curls, or intricate updos. Her makeup ranges from dramatic, with bold lips and smoky eyes, to subtle and natural, enhancing her innate beauty. Her commitment to sustainable and conscious fashion is noteworthy. She has been seen championing eco-friendly fabrics and supporting designers who prioritize sustainability, reflecting a growing awareness and responsibility towards the environment. She also breaks away from the fast fashion cycle by rewearing and restyling her outfits, setting an example of how fashion can be both stylish and sustainable. In essence, her modern fashion choices are a captivating blend of tradition and innovation, showcasing her as a true icon who effortlessly bridges the gap between classic elegance and contemporary style. When it comes to Western wear, Shreya's style is equally captivating. Her red carpet appearances are marked by a penchant for gowns that are both dramatic and elegant. She often chooses gowns that accentuate her figure with mermaid cuts, A-line silhouettes, or voluminous ball gowns in striking colors like fiery reds, deep blues, and shimmering metallics. Details like thigh-high slits, backless designs, and intricate lacework add to the allure of her outfits. Off the red carpet, her style shifts to a more relaxed, yet equally stylish, casual chic. She has a soft spot for high-waisted trousers paired with crop tops, tailored jumpsuits, and flowy maxi dresses. Her casual looks are characterized by a blend of comfort and flair, perfect for a day out or a casual event. She masterfully combines elements from different cultural styles to create looks that are both unique and contemporary. This could be a traditional sari paired with a modern crop top or corset, or a kurta paired with jeans or tailored trousers. She also loves to experiment with Indo-Western outfits, such as pairing ethnic skirts with Western blouses or layering a traditional shawl over a sleek Western dress. Her ability to merge diverse fashion elements into cohesive, stylish outfits is a testament to her innovative approach to fashion. Accessories and styling play a crucial role in defining Shreya's fashion statement. She has a discerning eye for jewelry and often complements her outfits with pieces that enhance her look without overwhelming it. For her ethnic looks, she gravitates towards statement pieces like bold chokers, elaborate earrings, and mantikas, which add a touch of regal elegance. For her Western and fusion outfits, she prefers minimalist jewelry, such as delicate necklaces, understated earrings, and sleek bracelets, which provide a subtle yet sophisticated finish. Her hairstyles and makeup choices are always meticulously curated to suit her outfits. She frequently experiments with her hair, from sleek, straight styles and soft, romantic curls to intricate braids and elegant updos. Her makeup is equally versatile. She can effortlessly switch from bold, dramatic looks with smoky eyes and bright lips for evening events to more natural, understated looks that highlight her natural beauty for daytime appearances. The actress has increasingly aligned her fashion choices with sustainability and conscious living. She advocates for eco-friendly fashion by choosing outfits made from sustainable fabrics and supporting brands and designers who prioritize ethical practices. Her commitment to rewearing and restyling her clothes is a refreshing departure from the fast fashion culture prevalent in the celebrity world. She often revisits her wardrobe, breathing new life into old outfits by pairing them with different accessories or layering them in novel ways, demonstrating how one can stay fashionable while being environmentally conscious. Her modern fashion choices are a compelling blend of timeless elegance and cutting-edge style. Her ability to seamlessly transition between traditional Indian wear and contemporary Western attire, combined with her innovative approach to fusion fashion, makes her a true style maven. Her fashion journey is characterized by a keen eye for detail, a love for luxurious fabrics and bold colors, and a commitment to sustainability. Whether she's gracing the red carpet in a stunning gown, attending a cultural event in a beautifully draped sari, or stepping out in chic casual wear, the actress consistently embodies the spirit of modern fashion with grace and sophistication. So, there you have it, Shreya Saran's modern fashion choices are as versatile as they are stunning. Whether she's gracing the red carpet, strutting through the airport, or posing for a photo shoot, she always brings her A game. Let us know in the comments which Shreya look is your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for videos. Thanks for watching.